friends, this is Chinmay Das from Material Elixir, and in this episode we are going to prepare a quick appetizer. We have some poi leaves, or also known as Malabar spinach, in our garden. So we'll take these leaves and we'll dip it in an aromatic batter, very quick batter, and then fry them. So it will be crispy outside and soft inside, and with very mild spices. So let's try it. So let's get the leaves first, then we'll fry them. Larger leaves, only the leaves I'm taking. I'm not taking the stems or seeds. We'll take these leaves and then wash it and then fry them. How about this one? This grew really big. Here I have half cup besan or chickpea flour, 1/3 cup rice flour, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and pinch of baking soda. So all these ingredients, all our dry ingredients, goes in my mixing bowl: besan, rice flour, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, and soda, and mix it using a hand whisk. And then I gradually add little water at a time. Around 1/3 cup of water goes in, and then I whisk it, and then again I add around 1/3 cup of water. So this again depends on your taste, like how thick or thin you want the batter to be. If it is a thinner batter, it cooks faster and it's really crispy compared to a thicker batter, which becomes a little bit soggy after you fry them. So I prefer a thinner batter. It cooks faster and it's really crunchy, really crispy. So my batter looks, it's done, and you can see it's really thin. And at the same time, my pan is hot. I'm adding oil to it. I'm using sunflower oil. So my batter is ready. I take 2 leaves at a time, 2 or 3 leaves at a time you can take, and then fold it at the center and then put it in the batter and then fry them. So if you do not fold it, there's a possibility once you put it in the oil, it might open up because this batter is really thin. So it's better to fold them, press it at the center, and then fry them. Within 2 minutes, your fritters are ready. So this is really a very quick recipe, and it's just really amazing. Once you take out, you transfer to a kitchen tissue and then plate it. You can add little sauce or ketchup on the side and sprinkle little chaat masala and enjoy it.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying this Poi Pakoda. This is also known as Malabar spinach fritters. So let's try it. As you can see, if you touch it, you can feel that it's really crispy. So let's try it. It tastes really good, like it's really crispy, and spinach is really flaky. So please do try this recipe and subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying this Poi Pakoda. This is also called as
Start from the beginning again. Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying this Okay. Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying this Poi Pakoda. It's also known as Malabar spinach fritters. So let's try it.